Hello everyone, I am Kaushik Dey from Edu Creative Digication. We are training, education and digital organization focused on skill-based learning, real projects and business development. At Edu Creative Digication, we don't teach theory. We always focused on real projects, real learning, career exposures and your real implementations and hands-on part. Step-by-step learning we always focus on. Every course, every modules, every sessions are hands-on learning. Full hands-on experience you can gather in Edu Creative Digication. At Edu Creative Digitation, apart from the courses and theory, we also provide placement support, career guidance for the working professionals, freshers and students. So, why are you waiting for that? If you want to learn, if you want to grow your skill, if you want to get job ready, so please join with us at Edu Creative Digication. In below, you can get our official address. So you can reach out us, we can help you out for your future. Thank you everyone once again, and I am waiting for your response. Thank you.